Welcome to the Now Project, a 30-day challenge focused on helping you take action in your life today. Not someday, not tomorrow, but now. This week we're focusing on mindfulness, and in fact today's video is all about mindful eating. Mindful eating is great because it can help you lose weight, eat less, and really focus on what's on your plate to eat healthier. So today I am actually still in Colombia. I'm on holiday with my family and I have convinced them to come along with me on my mindful eating adventure. So I hope you enjoy. Remember that the themes of the week will be chosen by you, so leave a comment down below letting me know what topic or idea we should explore next week, and the comments with the most likes will be the ones we take on. To start mindful eating, I decided to eat breakfast in silence. And in order to prep my family for the meal ahead, I read them a little snippet from Thich Nhat Hanh, which is a prominent Vietnamese Buddhist monk. Eating a meal together is a meditative practice. We should try to offer our presence for every meal. As we serve our food, we can already begin practicing. Serving ourselves, we realize that many elements such as the rain, sunshine, earth, air, and love all have come together to form this wonderful meal. We should take our time as we eat, chewing each mouthful at least 30 times until the food becomes liquefied. This aids the digestion process. Let us enjoy every morsel of our food and presence of our Dharma brothers and sisters around us. Dad, what did you think?
Silence is very powerful because you can hear your voice, your inner voice. And I was very grateful because I was eating eggs coming from our chicken. So it was very, very, very unique, very special moment with our family.
In my opinion, breakfast was a success. I did get a little bit distracted by the camera. I think if I was doing this and not trying to film it at the same time, it would have been a little bit more successful. But like at one point I could hear the camera dying and being like, oh no, what am I gonna do? Like, how am I gonna film this? So outside of that, I think it was really good. It helped me really think about where did the fruit come from? Like, I'm in Colombia right now. I don't know if I've said that already, but I'm here for the holidays and the fruit is local, but a lot of time and energy and love goes into growing a lot of these trees. So like keeping that in mind was good. For lunch, I decided that I wanted to make a full meal from scratch and really be present while chopping and mincing and just really focus on the task at hand. And I actually decided to go ahead and make my own coconut milk as just like an added made from scratch. It definitely took a lot of time, and I don't know if this is something I'd always do, but it was an extra special mindful addition. The red curry was absolutely delicious, and especially when I've been eating a bunch of Colombian food every single day, it was a really refreshing change.
¿Cómo te pareció el curry, ma'am?
Delicioso.
Okay, so it started raining on me, so let's head back inside. But I just wanted to say thank you so much for joining me today on this mindful eating journey, and I hope you enjoy the series. Don't forget to like and subscribe and let me know what you want to see next week. For now, don't forget to live sustainably and consciously, and I will see you in my next video.